Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what to do if you've forgotten your account PIN or password on MSI Stealth. Don't remember your PIN and you're sure about it, then click on I forgot my PIN. If you don't see it, then most probably instead of PIN you have a password and you should enter the wrong one. And after you enter the wrong one, you should have the I forgot my PIN or password button. It'll load, then you need to click on that again because for some reason it doesn't catch it the first time. And now it is pretty important to know if it shows the Microsoft account. If it does, then the only way to restore the later I'm gonna talk about solutions if you cannot do it with this method that's on the screen, but if you have the Microsoft account, then okay, the screen has went off. Then the only way to with the native way to restore the PIN without deleting your data on your laptop is logging into your Microsoft account. So you just need to enter the password. And later I'm gonna tell you what to do if it's not Microsoft account. I can tell you now. So if it's not Microsoft account, then there are gonna be security questions which you've answered to while setting up the password to your account. And you need to answer them in order to restore or do the second solution, which I'm gonna talk about in a moment. But there's a high chance that you know your password. So I'm just gonna enter my password, and now I need to verify with my email. So I'm gonna send that, and then I'm gonna enter the code in a moment. Okay, and now I have the code, so I'm gonna enter it. Of course, the code will be on your other device. And now I'm gonna click on enter to verify, and then you need to click on continue and set a new PIN. Make sure that you'll remember it this time. And now it's being set. So let's now talk about the solution for when you cannot restore it with the Microsoft or local or the security questions. If that happens, then the only way to fix all of that is to install Windows from USB drive. It will delete all of your data on the drive, but will at least give you access to your laptop. So that's at least great. And in order to fix it, to do it, you can watch a video on our channel on how to install Windows from USB on MSI Stealth. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.